With the wind that we're expecting, power crews are certainly on alert. Our Blake McQuarrie spoke with them. He's live in Plattsburgh tonight with what they're planning. Blake.
Liz, with potential wind gusts strong enough to cause some damage in some areas, officials are warning about the chance for power outages.
Wind is the primary, and we've already identified that. When the gustier the winds, the more likely it is that we're going to lose electricity service.
You can't change the weather, but you can be ready for the problems it could bring.
Certainly it's not something where we can go outside and stop the wind or anything like that, but I think that there are some things people can do.
First, check the area you're in.
Think about your surroundings. Think about what you might do if power goes out.
You also need your phone and any handheld lights you own.
You want to make sure that you have your cell phones charged and ready to go for as long as you can. If you have flashlights that need battery power, go ahead and check those now. Because if you have to make a run to the store to get batteries, now's the time to do it.
But officials say you should avoid an open flame.
Stay away from candles as a source of light. Candles, a lot of people use them, but they do present a fire hazard because you have an open flame that's going to be there.
National Grid provides electricity to more than 1.7 million customers in upstate New York. Officials also say to call and alert them and make sure your neighbor does as well.
What that helps us do is it helps us narrow down the location of the outage. So if you and I are next door neighbors and one of us reports an outage and the other one doesn't, it gives our crews a little bit of intel to say, okay, Jared has an outage, but Blake doesn't. So maybe it's not the whole neighborhood. Maybe it's just one house.
And the most important, they say, is to stay away from any debris.
Use extreme caution near a down power line, because just because the line is down doesn't mean there's still not electricity flowing through it.
Now, National Grid recommends having all the essentials needed just in case of the event of your lights going out. Live in the Plattsburgh newsroom, Blake McQuarrie, NBC5 News.